We officially made it to double digits of the IRA bayBEE series. This is day 10 and it is pink, blue and white. It is the trans colours flags, but it is not the trans bee. I have one of them later, maybe, but it's pretty small. It's got little line eyes. I think I stick with these line eyes as well for the most of it. I am so sorry for the bird downstairs as well, but no, this is really cute. Where do I put them? Where do I put all the bees? Yeah, here it is. If anyone would like this, make sure to meet me at TwitchCon.